In a prior installment of my Oracle on Docker series, I demonstrated how to use yum to install packages into a running container and then use the docker commit command to create a new image. Today, I'll show you how to add packages directly to your Oracle database images by editing the setupLinuxEnv.sh script. This script is located in the Oracle Docker repository, and it's specific to each version of Oracle. For this demonstration, I'm editing the file in my repository under Oracle Database, Single Instance, Docker Files, and the 19.3 version. setupLinuxEnv.sh is called by the build docker image.sh script, and as its name implies, it sets up the Linux environment for Oracle. If you're comfortable with shell scripting, this should be familiar ground. I've opened this script in an editor, and I'm going to look for the line that performs the yum install. All I need to do to include VI into all future image builds that are generated from this script is add it to the yum install line. Remember, this file is version specific. If you want to include something in all of your image builds, you'll need to edit the setupLinuxEnv.sh script for each version subdirectory. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this video or ideas or questions about running Oracle databases in Docker containers, please leave me something in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when I post future videos about running Oracle and Docker containers. Thanks again.